Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Simply Commerce. So we will be doing a few more questions on P&L appropriation account. Okay, so let's begin. Tom and Jerry entered into partnership on 1st April 23. Tom and Jerry introduced capital of 5 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. Tom gave a loan to the firm of rupees 2 lakh on 1st November 23. Jerry took a loan from the firm of rupees 2 lakh on 1st November 23. Profit for the year ended 31st March was 4 lakh 30,000. Partners could not agree on the amount of interest on loan and the sharing of profits. Pass journal entry for distribution of profits and prepare capital account of both partners and loan account of Tom. Okay, so let's begin. First working. ठीक है, अभी पहली चीज क्या है? Tom gave a loan to the firm. So Tom has given loan to the firm. Tom has given loan to the firm. So who is going to give the interest? So firm is going to give interest on loan to Tom. Okay. And when was the loan given to the firm by Tom? On 1st November 23. So in this question, it's written partners could not agree on the amount of interest on loan. अगर agreement नहीं है, then what applies? Then what provision of Indian Partnership Act 1932 applies, and according to this act, this interest on loan by Tom is like a charge against profit. It is a charge against profit. The firm has to pay the interest. और कोई अगर agreed rate of interest नहीं है, then also the firm has to pay at 6% per annum. देना ही पड़ेगा 6%. ठीक है? तो let's calculate the interest amount. It is like 2 lakh into 6 by 100. अब कितने months के लिए लोन दिया है? टॉम ने दिया था 1st नवंबर को, तो we'll calculate from 1st November to 31st March 23. कितना हो गया? नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. So it is 5 months. 5 months का interest we are going to calculate. तो into 5 by 12. तो कितना हो गया आपका? It is 5,000. How much is the interest that the firm will pay to Tom? It is 5,000. तो पहला working हो गया. Now the second working. Now Jerry took a loan. Jerry has taken a loan. So here in this case, the firm has given loan to Jerry. ठीक है? The firm has given loan to Jerry. So who will pay the interest? Jerry is going to pay the firm interest on loan. ठीक है? And कब? 1st November 23. ठीक है? What is the amount? 2 lakh only. But here again there is no agreement as to the interest on loan, rate of interest. So no agreement means, if no agreement is there, what will apply? Provision of Indian Partnership Act 1932 will apply, and according to this, Jerry will not pay any interest, will not pay any interest on loan. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे अब जेरी को कोई इंटरेस्ट देने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज देर इज नो एग्रीमेंट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोविजन ऑफ इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, नो interest has to be given by the partner. It will not be charged by the firm. Now profit for the year, profit क्या है आपका? Profit according to the question it's 4,30,000. पर अभी इस 4,30,000 is not the profit that has to be divided. पहले इसमें से हम charge against profit को minus करेंगे. So the net profit, correct net profit will be how much? 4,30,000 minus the 5,000 interest on loan by Tom, जो firm Tom को pay कर रही है. So how much is the answer? 4,25,000 is the net profit. Okay, तो ये profit जाएगा P&L appropriation account में, है ना? This is the profit that will go to the P&L appropriation. But abhi no appropriations are there, nothing is there, है ना? No IOC, no, nothing has been given. So what we will do, we are going to, and if there is no agreement as to payment of profit, divisibility of profit, then profits are divided in the ratio of equal ratio. Profits are divided in equal ratio. So what will be the journal entry? पहले हमें journal entry करनी है. What will be the journal entry? Journal entry will be P&L appropriation account debit to Tom's capital account to Jerry's capital account, है ना? 4,25,000. So this is the divisible profit. 4,25,000 का half कर लो अभी. Half will be how much? 212,500. 212,500. So profit is divided in the ratio of 1:1. Equal ratio में हमने divide कर दिया. अभी उसके बाद क्या है बोला है क्वेश्चन में? They have asked for what? Prepare the capital account of both the partners. अब हमें capital account भी बनाना है of both the partners. ठीक है? So let's make the capital account of both partners. Okay. Now we have to make the capital account of both the partners. तो हम capital account बनाएंगे. ठीक है? Capital account of both the partners. तो ये हम एक ही में दोनों के अकाउंट्स बनाएंगे. ओके, टॉम जेरी, टॉम जेरी. फर्स्ट इज दैट टॉम एंड जेरी हैड इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कैपिटल. तो उसकी जर्नल एंट्री क्या होती है? जर्नल एंट्री इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू टॉम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट टू जेरीज कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो यहां पर आएगा बाय बैंक. ठीक है, बाय बैंक अकाउंट. कितना इंट्रोड्यूस किया था उसने? वो लेके टॉम लेके आया 5 लाख एंड जेरी लेके आया 3 लाख. ठीक है, when some partners bring in capital तो journal entry क्या होगी? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ठीक है, उसके बाद अब यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा. पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन डेबिट, ये आपकी इसी एंट्री को हम लोग, ये जो आपने अभी ऊपर करी थी ना, द सेम एंट्री यू विल पोस्ट इट हियर, दिस पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन वाली. तो बाय पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट कितना मिला? इसको 212,500, इसको 212,500. ठीक है, so here what is the total? It is 712,500. Here it is 512,500, and this is to balance carried down same amount. 712,500, 512,500, 712,500, 512,500. So capital account is made. Now Tom का loan account भी बनाना है हमें. टॉम का लोन अकाउंट भी बनाना है. तो टॉम्स लोन अकाउंट, टॉम्स लोन अकाउंट. ठीक है, नाउ पहला टॉम ने लोन दिया था फर्म को, तो जर्नल एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू टॉम्स लोन अकाउंट, है ना? तो यहाँ पे पहली एंट्री आएगी बाय बैंक अकाउंट. ठीक है, 2 लाख रुपीस का लोन टॉम ने फर्म को दिया. फिर उसके बाद क्या एंट्री है? इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो ही इज गेटिंग ना. सो what will be the entry? Interest on loan by Tom's account debit to Tom's loan account, है ना? So by interest on loan by Tom's account, ये यहाँ पे 5,000 is the interest that he will get. तो कितना टोटल हो गया? 2,050. This is the total of his loan account. This is to balance carried down 205,000. So here we have completed the question. Okay, now the next question. Okay, let's do it. Aman and Bowman are partners sharing profits equally. How are they sharing? Equally. Business is carried out from the property owned by Aman on a yearly rent of ₹24,000. तो जो business चल रहा है वो किसकी प्रॉपर्टी पे चल रहा है? इट इज ओन्ड बाय अमन, और अमन को फर्म रेंट पे कर रही है 24,000 पर ईयर. ओके, अमन इज टू ऑल्सो गेट अ सैलरी ऑफ 1,20,000 per annum and Bowman is to get a commission of at the rate of 5% of net sales. और net sales कितनी है? 30 lakh. Profit for the year ended before providing for rent was 5 lakh. Now this is the star point. Prepare P&L appropriation account. अब सबसे पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि रेंट गिवन टू अ पार्टनर इट इज अ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. तो पहला चीज, रेंट टू अमन विच द फर्म इज पेइंग 24,000 ईयरली, इट इज अ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. इट इज अ चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, तो आपका ये कहां दिखना चाहिए? इट शुड बी इन द P&L अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ठीक है, ये कभी भी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में नहीं आएगा. रेंट paid to the partner by a firm is always a charge against profit. तो हमें और क्या दिया है? Profit for the year ended before providing for rent was 5 lakhs. So this is not the correct profit that should go to P&L appropriation account. So let's first make it correct. तो पहले मैं P&L account बना लेती हूँ, ठीक है? Let's make the P&L account. P&L account. What is the profit? Balance is 5 लाख, ठीक है? अभी हमें रेंट पे करना है. क्या पे करना है? रेंट पे करना है. तो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस टू रेंट टू अमन, है ना? रेंट पे करना है ना अमन को, कितना? 24,000. तो इस 5 लाख में से आपको 24,000, या सी what you can do is first you can make a P&L account or you can directly subtract it also, okay, if you don't want to make this. So what will be the balance carried down? Balance carried down is your 6, and it is your 4760. 4,76,000 is the profit that should go. This is the correct profit. This is the correct profit that should go to P&L appropriation account. Understood? ठीक है? आपको इसमें से रेंट माइनस करना पड़ेगा. Now we will make the now first what we'll do is ये सब लिख लेते हैं. एक तो ये रेंट का हो गया. We have done this. अब सैलरी. अमन को सैलरी कितना मिलेगा? Salary is how much? 1,20,000. So nothing to calculate. ठीक है? अब बोमन को क्या देना है? पार्टनर को कमीशन मिल रहा है. बोमन is to get commission. कमीशन कितना है? 5% of net sales. 5% और net sales कितनी दी हुई है आपको? Net sales is your 30 लाख. So net sales का आपका 5%. तो 1,50,000 is the commission given to Bowman. ठीक है? ये सब appropriations है. These are the appropriations. These are the appropriations to the partners. इसके अलावा और कुछ है? Rent तो rent is not an appropriation. That is comes charge against profit. Okay. So now we will make the P&L appropriation account. ठीक है? So first we will get the net profit to from the P&L account to P&L appropriation account by P&L account. कितना amount आएगा? It will be 47600. ठीक है? अब appropriations कर देते हैं. To Aman's capital account salary. ठीक है? Salary कितना है? 1,20,000. To Bowman's capital account commission. है ना? We have already done the calculation, so it's better you do the calculations. ठीक है? ये हो गया. अब nothing else, no other appropriation. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे इसका total कर देंगे. 4,76,000. ठीक है? तो ये आ गया 000, then 6, then 0, then 2. And nothing is mentioned about the profit sharing ratio, so profits will be divided equally. 2 profits transferred to A's capital account, Aman's capital account and Bowman's capital account. ठीक है? B's capital account. तो इसका half कर देंगे 1010. So this is the profit that is divided among both the partners Aman and Bowman. In what ratio? In the ratio of 1:1. And this is the divisible profit. This is your divisible profit. So here your P&L appropriation account is made. So in this question, either you make the P&L account and then find the correct profit, or you can straight away subtract 24,000 from 5 lakh. Okay, that is also fine. Next question. Asim and Nihar started business on 1st April with capital of 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, Nihar is to get a salary of 5,000 per month. Asim is to get 10% commission of profit after allowing salary to Nihar, and interest is to be allowed on capital. IOC is at the rate of 6% per annum. Profit sharing ratio between the partners is 3:2. Asim gave loan of 1 lakh to the firm on 1st April 2023. Interest on loan was agreed to be allowed at 8% per annum. Nihar was given a loan of 2 lakh on 1st October 23, on which interest was charged at 8% per annum. Manager was to be allowed commission of 3,000. Profit of the firm before these adjustments was 2,50,000. Pass journal entries for distribution of profit and prepare P&L appropriation account. अब इस क्वेश्चन में there are some items which are charge against profit and there are some items which are appropriations of profit, है ना. तो हम पहले charge against profit वाले items को we are going to calculate and find out the correct net profit. ठीक है, तो charge against profit क्या क्या है. ठीक है, एक तो है Asim gave loan of 1 lakh to the firm. So पहला है Asim has given firm loan. ठीक है, तो firm is going to pay Asim interest, है ना, interest on this loan. So Asim gave loan of 1 lakh on what date? 1st April 23. Interest on loan was to be allowed at 8% per annum. So there is an agreement. तो क्या है? What is the rate of interest? It is 8% per annum. ठीक है, अब लोन कितना दिया था असीम ने? He gave a loan of 1 lakh. ठीक है, so what we will do, we are going to calculate the interest that the firm will pay to Asim. So 1 lakh into 8 by 100 into 1st April 23. तो 1st April 23 से 31st March तक 24 तक का कैलकुलेट करना है for 12 months, है ना. So it is 12 months. तो आप 12 by 12, तो वो तो कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So how much is the interest that the firm has to pay? It is 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees. Next, charge against profit is manager was to be allowed a commission of 3,000. तो managers commission. This is also a charge against profit. मतलब ये देना ही देने हैं, दो चीजें देनी ही देनी है. This 8,000 interest and managers commission of rupees 3,000 which has to be given. ठीक है, by the firm. अब दूसरा है, अब third thing which is not a charge against profit, the firm is going to receive. Nihar was given loan of 2 lakh on 1st October on which interest was charged at 8% per annum. अब एक चीज, third चीज जो है, which is, these are the two things which are charge against profit. ठीक है, charge against profit. ठीक है, third thing which the firm is going to receive. Now the firm has given loan to Nihar. ठीक है, फर्म ने लोन दिया है निहार को कितने का? 2 लाख रुपीस का on 1st October 23 and interest was to be charged at 8% per annum. यहाँ पे भी 8% है. ठीक है, so if the firm has given loan to Nihar, so Nihar has to pay firm interest. How much is the interest? 8% per annum. पर डेट क्या है? It's 1st October. तो अक्टूबर से 31st March तक. How much is the time duration? October, November, December, January, February, March. So you will calculate interest for 6 months. 2 lakh into 8 by 100 into 6 by 12. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका again 8,000. So this is the interest received by firm. ठीक है, understood? So what is the profit? The profit before these adjustments was 2,50,000. So correct net profit will be how much? Net profit P&L account में होता है ना. So what you can do, see, one thing is you can make the P&L account, otherwise you can do the calculation here. तो जो profit before adjustment है, that you write 2,50,000. इसमें आप क्या क्या ऐड करोगे? फर्म को क्या क्या मिल रहा है? 8,000 का एक तो इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, यहाँ ये वाला इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन टू पार्टनर, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन टू पार्टनर. अंडरस्टूड? तो ये तो आप ऐड करोगे बिकॉज द फर्म इज रिसीविंग इट. एंड व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट? you will subtract the charge against profit. What are the two things which are charge against profit? One is your 8,000, which is interest on loan by partner plus managers commission plus managers commission. ठीक है, इन दोनों को ऐड करके फिर माइनस कर देंगे हम लोग. So how much is the correct net profit? Correct net profit is how much? It is 258000 minus 11,000. तो कितना हो गया? How much? It is 247,000. It's 2,47,000 is the correct net profit. This is the correct net profit which should go to the P&L appropriation account. Understood? तो सबसे पहले जब भी ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन है which has a mix of charge against profit items and your P&L appropriation items, first P&L वाले items को आप calculation करके then you find the correct profit that should go to the P&L appropriation account. Understood? Now we are going to do the working notes for P&L appropriation. Okay, working notes for your P&L appropriation का working notes करेंगे. Okay, so let's do the working notes for that. First thing is salary. Nihar is to get a salary of 5,000 per month. So immediately we are going to write the salary part. कि निहार को कितनी salary? First thing is Nihar is to get salary of how much? He has to get a salary of 5,000 per month. तो salary कितना हो गया? 5,000 into 12. That is 60,000 Nihar will get salary. अब second calculation क्या है? Aseem is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing salary. तो Aseem को क्या मिलना चाहिए? Commission मिलना चाहिए. And what is the commission का rate? It's 10% after allowing salary. It is 10% on profit after allowing salary to Nihar. तो आपको क्या करना है? कमीशन, ये जो 60,000 सैलरी है वो इस प्रॉफिट में से माइनस करना है. क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. 247,000 में से आपको 60,000 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. पहले तो कितना बचा? 1870. तो इस पे कितना परसेंट कमीशन? 10% commission. So how much is the commission? 18,700 into 10 by 100, which is 18,700. This much is the Aseem's commission. Understood? So this calculation is very important because what is written? Aseem is to get 10% commission after allowing salary. तो इसका मतलब salary देने के बाद जो profit बच रहा है, this profit on this you have to calculate the 10%. So this Aseem's calculation is very important. उसके बाद और क्या है? Then IOC. IOC has to be given. Third thing, IOC. IOC का calculation क्या है? Interest is to be allowed on capital at 6% per annum. At 6% per annum. तो Aseem का कितना होगा? IOC. It is 3 lakh into how much? 6%. 6% हो गया ना? So it is 18,000 is A's IOC, Aseem's IOC, and Nihar's IOC is how much? Nihar's IOC is 2 lakh capital को लाया था into 6%, 6 by 100. तो 12,000. Understood? तो ये आपका P&L appropriation का हो गया. So first we will make the P&L appropriation account. Understood? Now I'll make the P&L appropriation account first. So first you will get the net profit, correct net profit from the P&L account. By P&L account, net profit, it is 2,47,000. अब appropriations आपने यहाँ पे calculate करे हैं, है ना? To salary, किसको मिल रही है salary? N's capital account, Nihar's capital account, है ना? Nihar's capital account कितना? 60,000. फिर to commission, commission किसको मिल रहा है? Aseem को. A's capital account, Aseem's capital account कितना? 18 18,700 है ना. उसके बाद IOC, third thing which has to be given is the IOC. 2 interest on capital account. तो A is capital account, असीम को कितना मिल रहा है, and निहार्स capital account, N's capital account. कितना कितना है दोनों का, it is 18,000 and 12,000 है ना. So let's see कि अभी कितना है. So we are going to leave 2 or 3 lines and then we'll find out the total. 24700 24700. तो यहाँ पे आपका आया बैलेंस, it will be 138,300. अब to profit, this is the divisible profit. To profit transferred to A's capital account and N's capital account. तो कितना रेशियो है, what is the ratio? It is 3:2 के रेशियो में आपको इसको डिवाइड करना है, 3:2 के रेशियो में. So Asim will get how much? 82980 will be his profit share and Nihar will get a profit of 55,320. ठीक है. So this is the profit in the ratio of 3:2 which both the partners will get. Now you have to pass the journal entry. So let's pass the journal entry. It's a long question. Okay. So now we are going to pass the journal entry for this. Journal entry is journal entry. ठीक है. पहली एंट्री क्या होगी, P&L से P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में लेके आना है प्रॉफिट को. P&L अकाउंट डेबिट टू P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. कितना है, व्हाट इज द अमाउंट? 247,000 247,000 2,47,000. Now what are the appropriation? Nihar's N's salary account debit to N's capital account. To N's capital account. How much? 60,000. This is the salary due की entry. अब closing entry क्या होगी? What will be the closing entry? It will be P&L appropriation account debit to N's salary account. To N's salary account है ना. फिर this is the closing entry, 60,000. 60,000. Okay, next entry will be the commission entry. Is commission account debit to A's capital account. कितना है? How much is the commission? 18,700. 18,700. Now the closing entry, P&L appropriation account debit to A's commission account. To A's commission account. कितना? Same. 18,700. 18,700. Okay. Then interest on capital. Interest on capital account debit to A's capital account to N's capital account है ना. कितना है? 18,000 and 12,000. So total is 30,000. Then again the closing entry for IOC है ना. P&L appropriation में हम लेके जाएंगे. So P&L appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Interest on capital account 30,000. 30,000. Understood? फिर last entry will be your appropriation of profit. P&L appropriation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. कितना कितना मिल रहा है उनको प्रॉफिट? It is 82980 and 55,320. So that makes a total of 138,300. So with this we come to an end to this question. Okay. So the important point in this question is You have to be very careful. You have to find out the correct profit. If you don't find out the correct profit by after making all the adjustments of charge against profit और ये वाला भी interest on loan to partner, वो वाला भी अगर है क्वेश्चन में तो you have to make that adjustment. All the charge against profit वाले items को आप क्या करोगे? You are going to subtract from that profit and you are going to add the interest received by the firm on the loan given to the partner. Understood? तब आपका करेक्ट प्रॉफिट आएगा जो P&L appropriation अकाउंट में जाएगा. So you have to be very careful about the words before, after. Okay. So please practice this question. It's very, very, very important. The next question. Raj, Mehak and Divya were partners in a firm sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their respective capitals are 6 lakh, 4 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. The partnership deed provides for the following. IOC कितना है? 8%. IOD is 6%. Interest on partners loan to the firm is 5% per annum. During the year, Raj has withdrawn rupees 12,000 on 1st October, while Mehak withdrew 6,000 on 1st December. On 1st Jan 2021, Divya had given a loan of rupees 1,20,000 to the firm. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the firm for the following transactions for the year ended 31st March. आपको इन तीनों की journal entries करनी है and also you have to pass transfer entries in P&L account and P&L appropriation account as the case may be. ठीक है? तो first is we are going to do the working notes. We are going to do the working notes. तो पहले IOC calculate करेंगे. ठीक है? What is IOC here? IOC is how much? Interest on capital it is 8%. How much? 8%. तो राज का कितना है? How much is Raj? Raj has given 6 lakh. 6 lakh. ठीक है, कितना हो गया राज का? महक का M का कितना है? It is 4 lakh into 8%, 32,000. Then who? Divya. Divya will get how much IOC? 2 lakh into 8%. How much is it? 16,000. ठीक है, ये IOC का हो गया. So this is regarding your IOC first. Then second is your IOC के बाद interest on drawings, IOD. We'll do the IOD का calculation. Interest on drawings. सबसे पहले राज. ठीक है, राज ने कितना has withdrawn 12,000 on 1st October. राज ने कितना withdraw करा है? 12,000. And how much is IOD? IOD is 6%. So 6 by 100. And now this date is very important. तो राज ने करा है 1st October से आपको 31st March तक calculate करना पड़ेगा. October, November, December, January, February, March. So it is 6 months का calculation. This interest IOD that will be charged by the firm is for 6 months. Okay, so let's do the. So it is 360. How much? 360. ठीक है, अब next is your Mehak. Mehak ने withdrew 60,000. How much? 60,000. 60,000 into 6 by 100. 6% है ना? And for how many months? इसने किया है 1st December को. The 1st December से 31st March तक का calculation. December, January, February, March. So for 4 months. You have to calculate it for 4 months. ठीक है? So this is 1200. महक को IOD कितना पे करना है? It is 1200. Now Divya. Third is Divya. Divya का nothing. Has made no drawing. है ना? Nothing. Mehak and Raj has only withdrawn. Now the third thing is that we are going to do is Divya had given a loan to the firm. So the third thing is Divya had given a loan to the firm. So Divya has given loan to the firm of how much? How much is the amount? It is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So Let's see. Divya has given loan to the firm and it is 1,20,000 is the amount. ठीक है. Interest on partner's loan to the firm. So who will pay the interest? Firm will pay interest to Divya. At what rate? It is 5% per annum. है ना? Interest on partner's loan to the firm at the rate of 5% per annum. So this loan was given on 1st Jan. Again, the date is very important. 1st Jan 21. तो आपको इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा 31st मार्च तक. So Jan, Feb, March. So 3 months का है ना. So how much is the interest? 1,20,000 into 5 by 100 into 3 by 12. So this will be 1,500 is the interest that the firm will pay to Divya. Okay, now all the calculations are done. Now we will do the journal entries. पहली journal entry हमें करनी है allowing interest on Rad's capital. Allowing interest on Rad's capital. The first entry will be journal entry. Narrations, you will write it yourself. First will be interest on capital account debit to R's capital account. To R's capital account. How much? How much is it? It is how much? 48,000. So how much? 48,000 you are going to write here. Okay, all the calculations, if you do it before the journal entry or the account, it's much easier. अब second journal entry आपको करनी है charging interest on Mehak's drawing. Charging interest on Mehak's drawing. तो इसमें क्या होगा? M's capital account debit to interest on drawings. To interest on drawings. You will not write the closing entry in these cases because आपको जो पूछा गया उतना ही आप लिखोगे. Now the third entry that they are asking is providing interest on loan given to the firm by Divya. है ना? तो ये क्या होगा? Interest on loan by partner debit because it's an expense to Divya's loan account. To Divya's loan account. How much? 1,500. How much? 1,500 the calculation. अब इसके बाद उन्होंने पूछा है क्वेश्चन में also pass the transfer entries in the P&L account and P&L appropriation account. है ना? So these first and second entry will go to your P&L appropriation account and the third entry this will go to your P&L account because it is a charge against profit. So now let's pass the transfer entries. Transfer entries करेंगे अभी हम. पहला IOC का. IOC goes to P&L appropriation के debit side में. तो P&L appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. And how much is the amount? 48,000. वही जो तीन entries है उनको transfer करना है. ठीक है. अब interest on drawing, it's like an income for the firm. It will go to P&L appropriation credit side. So interest on drawings account debit to P&L appropriation account credit side में जाएगा. How much? 1,200. है ना? अब जो last entry है that is a charge against profit. So it should go to your P&L account. P&L account है ना? This 15 loan which the firm is paying to Divya. So this will go to P&L account debit to interest on loan by partner. How much is the amount? 1,500. So 15. So these are the last three transfer entries. So please read the question properly and whatever they've asked, only do the following things. Okay. If they've asked the journal entries for this, then only this. Don't write all the journal entries. सारे partners की मत लिख देना IOC वगैरह. ठीक है. उन्होंने सिर्फ राज का पूछा है. महक का सिर्फ drawing वाला part पूछा है. ठीक है. So according to the question, you read it and do the journal entries accordingly. Understood? Now the last question. X and Y started business on 1st April with capital of 5 lakh each. ठीक है. तो दोनों 5 lakh लाए हैं. Partnership deed both As per the partnership deed, both X and Y are to get monthly salary of 10,000 each, and interest on capital is rupees 50,000 each, already calculated. Interest on drawings 3,000 for X and 5,000 for Y. During the year, the firm incurred a loss of rupees 2 lakh. Pass journal entries for the above and prepare P&L appropriation account. Now, this is also again a very important question. जैसे ही आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ा कि firm has incurred a loss, will the firm give appropriations? If the firm has incurred loss, will the firm give appropriations? No appropriations will be given. If there is loss, no appropriations will be given. But interest on drawings the firm is going to take because the partnership deed is there. Partnership deed अगर नहीं होती तो IOD भी charge नहीं होता. Firm will not charge the IOD. But partnership deed is there, so IOD has to be calculated. And already it's calculated. You don't need to do anything. So let's pass the journal entries first. Okay, journal entries. So first journal entry. First is it's a loss. So it will go to P&L appropriation ka which side? It will go to P&L appropriation debit side. P&L appropriation account debit to P&L account. Net loss आपका transfer हो गया. And what is the amount? It is 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the loss that is incurred by the firm. Now you are going to pass the interest on drawing wali entry. X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit to interest on drawings. This is the drawings that will be charged by the firm. तो कितना है? X को देना है 3,000 interest और इसको देना है 2,000 interest, 5,000 interest, sorry. So which makes a total of 8,000. ठीक है? Now we will pass this is the charging wali entry. So now we'll pass the closing entry. What will be the closing entry? Interest on drawings account debit to P&L appropriation account. Credit side में जाएगा ना? So this entire 8,000 will go here. अब आपका जो loss है, now what will be the loss? It will be transferred to the capital account. The loss will be shared between the partners. The loss will be shared between the partners, but nothing is given about the profit sharing or loss sharing ratio. So it will be equal. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको जो आपका profit है 2 lakh, उसमें loss है 2 lakh, है ना? You are going to subtract this 8,000, है ना? This 8,000 you will subtract. So how much is the amount? It is 1,92,000 is the loss. This is the divisible loss. This is the divisible loss to be shared between the partners in equal ratio. In equal ratio, as nothing is given. तो क्या entry आएगी? X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit to P&L appropriation account, है ना? इसकी क्रेडिट साइड में लॉस का वो होता है. तो 192,000 इक्वली क्या होगा? 2 9s are 18, 96,000 both will get. This is the not get. It is they will bear this loss. This is the divisible loss की entry. Now one more thing that you have to do is you have to prepare the P&L appropriation account. So nothing much to do. Same entries you are going to pass here, है ना? तो loss है तो क्या होगा? To P&L account, है ना? It will come here 2 lakh. By IOD, interest on drawing comes here 8,000. Now 2 lakh, 2 lakh. So what is the balance? 1,92,000. So this is the divisible loss. So by loss transferred to X capital account Y capital account. And how much is the amount? Each will be a 96,000. So this is your P&L account. Very easy. Okay. Now with this we come to an end to the questions relating to your P&L appropriation account. Okay. So in the next video we will be doing the partners capital account theory part. Okay. So please do not miss any of the videos and do look at the videos which I have uploaded before this so that you are able to understand things clearly, and do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel Simply Commerce. Thank you so much.